What determines your financial success? Is it your level of education or intelligence? In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel challenges the conventional wisdom that financial success is solely linked to education and intelligence. Instead, he suggests that understanding human behavior is key. By recognizing the impact of emotions and beliefs on our financial decisions, Housel argues, we can make more informed choices. With that in mind, in this video we explore why we often fall short of financial success, the motivations behind our pursuit of wealth, the essential components of a financial strategy, insights on creating a sustainable plan, and the importance of staying attuned to relevant financial information over time. And before we start, please hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It helps this channel be recommended by YouTube, which in return helps us create more videos for you guys. Let's start from the top. Why do we fail to achieve financial success? Many people struggle to achieve financial success, and Morgan Housel explains two main reasons behind this. Firstly, he emphasizes that we often overlook the role of chance in our financial journeys. Take Bill Gates, for example. His success wasn't solely due to his intelligence, but also because he happened to have access to a school computer in 1968 when very few did. Housel warns against simply imitating exceptionally successful individuals because luck plays a significant role in their stories. Instead, he advises paying attention to patterns of success rather than specific people's actions. Secondly, Housel distinguishes between being wealthy and being rich. Being wealthy means having money saved up, while being rich indicates a high current income, allowing for extravagant spending. It's easier to see someone's richness through their lavish purchases, but wealth is often hidden in bank accounts. This distinction is crucial because many mistakenly believe that spending money lavishly equates to being wealthy, which can lead to financial instability. Next up, let's talk about our motivations for want money. Understanding the motivations behind your desire for money is crucial for building a healthy relationship with finances. Morgan Housel outlines two key mindsets that are essential for this: recognizing that money provides control over your time and learning to be content with having enough. Housel says that money's true value lies in its ability to give you control over your time. When we feel in control, we're happier and more fulfilled. Conversely, lacking control can lead to feelings of frustration and unhappiness. Housel notes that in today's society, many people feel constantly tied to their jobs, even outside of work hours, which diminishes their sense of control and overall satisfaction. Housel suggests prioritizing activities that provide a sense of freedom and fulfillment, such as developing meaningful relationships to increase happiness. By valuing and prioritizing our time, we can lead more fulfilling lives. Housel also stresses the importance of being content with enough money. While he doesn't provide a specific dollar amount, he warns against the trap of constantly wanting more. Some individuals are never satisfied, seeking greater wealth even when they already have enough to meet their needs. This insatiable desire for more can lead to reckless financial behavior and jeopardize existing wealth. Learning to be content with what you have involves resisting the urge to upgrade your lifestyle continually. Instead, focus on finding satisfaction in the present level of wealth and avoiding unnecessary risks to chase unattainable goals. Moving ahead, let's draw our attention to what you should include in your financial strategy. Knowing what to include in your financial strategy is crucial for long-term success. Morgan Housel identifies 3 key elements that should be part of any solid financial plan: taking advantage of compounding, prioritizing saving money, and planning for setbacks. Housel emphasizes the power of compounding as a fundamental aspect of building wealth. He explains that the longer you invest, the more your money grows exponentially due to compounding returns. This means that time in the market is often more critical than trying to chase higher annual returns. By investing in assets with consistent and reliable returns over time, individuals can harness the power of compounding to maximize their wealth accumulation. Secondly, saving money is essential for building wealth and financial security. Housel highlights 3 reasons why saving is crucial. It forms the foundation of wealth building. It's entirely within your control. It's a relatively straightforward way to increase wealth. Individuals can accumulate wealth steadily over time by prioritizing saving and resisting the urge to overspend to impress others. Finally, planning for things to go wrong is vital to any financial strategy. Housel warns against excessive optimism and emphasizes the importance of preparing for unexpected setbacks. By diversifying investments, avoiding strategies dependent on a single factor, and maintaining a safety net of savings, individuals can protect themselves from financial downturns and position themselves to capitalize on opportunities that arise. Now, let's talk about how to create a financial strategy you can stick to. Creating a financial strategy that you can stick to for the long haul requires considering 2 essential principles: expecting your future goals to change and prioritizing sensibility over pure logic. Morgan Housel advises that we should always expect our future goals to evolve over time. Despite our tendency to think we won't change much in the future, history shows that we often undergo significant transformations. To counteract this end-of-history illusion, avoid making extreme financial plans that may not align with your future self. By maintaining flexibility and avoiding extremes in your financial decisions, you can adapt more easily to changes in your goals and circumstances. Secondly, Housel emphasizes prioritizing sensibility over logic when crafting your financial strategy. While logical strategies may seem appealing for maximizing earnings, sensible strategies prioritizing peace of mind yield better long-term results. By considering non-financial factors such as your emotional well-being and ease of implementation, you're more likely to stick to your chosen strategy over the long term, ultimately leading to greater wealth accumulation. To develop a sensible strategy, Housel suggests investing in companies you genuinely care about, even if it may seem illogical from a purely financial standpoint. While your emotional attachment to a company may not directly impact its earning potential, it can help you stay committed to your investments during tough times. By staying invested long-term, you increase your chances of reaping the benefits of compounding returns and achieving greater wealth over time. Next, we'll quickly touch on how to counter negative thinking. Navigating through the inevitable ups and downs of the financial market requires adopting a mindset that can counter negative thinking. Morgan Housel shares 2 valuable lessons to help you evaluate bad news appropriately and maintain optimism during challenging times. He advises not to be deterred by uncertainty. Housel emphasizes that investing inherently involves uncertainty, especially regarding potential gains. Instead of trying to avoid uncertainty by timing the market, which often leads to losses, Housel suggests accepting it as an inevitable part of investing. By reminding yourself that short-term discomfort may lead to long-term success, you can endure market fluctuations and allow your investments to compound over time. Housel also highlights the importance of understanding that even frequent failures can lead to eventual success. He explains that many successful financial ventures result from rare, low-probability outlier events, often called luck. These positive outlier events can offset numerous smaller setbacks, ultimately contributing to overall success. By reframing failures as opportunities to learn and focusing on your overall financial health rather than individual setbacks, you can maintain optimism and resilience in the face of adversity. As we come to a close, let's pay attention to the right financial information. To ensure that you're paying attention to the right financial information and making informed decisions, Morgan Housel suggests a crucial step: understanding your personal financial goals. Knowing your financial objectives helps you avoid falling into the trap of chasing trends or following the crowd blindly. By identifying what truly matters to you in terms of finance, you can filter out irrelevant information that might lead to poor decisions, such as getting caught up in investment bubbles. Housel recommends crafting a mission statement for your finances to uncover your personal financial goals. This statement should outline your investment timeline and expectations, clarifying what you aim to achieve with your money over time. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial goals, you can focus your attention solely on information that aligns with them. This targeted approach allows you to make better decisions that align with your objectives, ultimately safeguarding your financial well-being. By ignoring distractions and staying true to your financial mission, you can navigate the complexities of the market with confidence and purpose, increasing your chances of long-term financial success. Would you like to learn more about the psychology behind financial success? Leave us a comment with your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love our other book summaries, so check them out. Remember to like, share, subscribe, or even offer book suggestions.